How to create app password for Gmail. Click on Manage your Google account. Click on Security. Click on Two-Step Verification. Enter Gmail account password. Enter your phone number. How do you want to get the verification code? Enter the verification code. Click on Turn On. Click on Manage your Google account. Click on Security. Click on App Passwords. Enter Gmail account password. Select the app and device for which you want to generate the app password. Click on Generate. Generated app password. Thanks for watching.